That's good. What color tie he's wearing? I heard somebody talk about that. I guess it was you guys talking about this morning.
I'm glad.
Flat.
How about now, Twitter? Can you hear me now? If you're on Twitter and you can hear me now, hit me with 333. Everybody in the chat room, make sure you get the trill icon next to your name. Here's a pullback. I'm gonna pull back into this potential mitigation block and inversion. Man, we just ran right through that. If you were in this play, I would cut it here. You're pretty much back to your break even, a little bit below. Not in this play. This is a play we called out. Maybe we're gonna run some liquidity here. Let's see what we do. We did take these lows now.
Yeah, that's a retracement to the man's down. Let's see how you gonna handle it.
Originally, I wanted to see them take this low to deliver that data high. Higher time frames, in my opinion, are bullish. I do have a bullish bias coming into here. Now, this candle here, I want to see how much volume it has. So this is called a footprint chart. On this footprint chart, it takes all the actual orders at the level. So again, this is what it says 200 at 22,042, 200 sellers stepped up. Only 30 buyers was there. I want to see delta, which is all of these sellers and all the buyers combined. If that number is positive, it's a green delta. If that number is negative, it's a red delta. This is selling with some delta. So let's see what they want to do. We did take this low too.
So Powell got the mic in his hand and nothing happened?
I think that's what happened. The initial reaction from Powell walking to the podium. Papa Powell, you want to send this lower?
I wanted to see them sweep that 100, 22, 100. They didn't get there.
See what it do here. I will take this one This one right here, they gave me an opportunity. We just need Delta to pick up. Delta picks up, we're gonna be looking long, guys. So far in the day, win for one, very green. We just gotta wait from here. Would you consider? Wait. Would you consider short if it inverts? And he's talking about these inversions here. You can go for that. My bias is bullish, and I got a data high above. So I won't. I definitely do want price to sweep this low. Like price could sweep this low. This is honestly what I was looking for this morning. Not this morning, coming into the session. If this happens, I'm good. So again, if you want to try to short this inversion back to that low, or even this low, but once we get below this low, there's no coming back. This is the last. This is the
Line of
hope.
defense.
Yeah, that's the last hope right there. You get below that number is 925. It's over. We're gonna sink like a rock. So bullish above 925. So for me, I'm gonna just stick with the bias. But don't let me stop you. You like this inversion short, you go for it, brother. Again, I'm only here to guide, not replace. I do like this long though. Price gets above it and retest inside the macro. We do have a potential long play. Twitter, welcome back. Twitter, if you guys can hear my voice, send me a 222. Bright man moving averages are coming in position.
Well, they didn't do it.
No.
They stay right in the middle of that range. They didn't move out. So I was looking for the sweep 927, then go higher. Myself. They didn't do neither. They didn't do either. So that means sit down and wait on them if they're gonna be a move.
If this AM session was just phenomenal. AM session, we had a lot of movement. And because we had so much movement in the AM session, that could give us chop here. Next macro is going to be 250 to 310.
So we came out of the supply zone, so see if that's gonna make a difference here. You could do either or now.
Outside of macro, but you do got a clean sweep, so you can't take this play. This play is outside of macro because it is outside of macro and it's still clean. One of my components isn't there. That makes it an A setup, not an A plus setup. So I will drop my size. I will pull my size back. I not only look to pull my size back, but I will look to scale out quicker.
But the 1 minute candle is out. So they didn't do nothing inside the 20. It's been the macro, so let's see what they're gonna do. Now we right inside them wicks from this morning.
This right here. This at the top, that's my alpha C. Alpha C at 22098. Are we gonna get above here? Guys, finger on the button, finger on the button. Now remember, we're trading from a big place of profits, right? We're not trading from a place of chaos. Give me the retest. Need the retest. No need to rush. Let it come to me. If it pulls back into here, we're going to hit buy. If it continues to go, I don't want it. It didn't do what I needed it to do. I only want to take the trades that do what I need them to do. Gives me the best probability chance of winning. should extend to data high 22,083. Anybody got a link for Powell? Maybe I can put them side by side.
So we just now hit pre-market high. So let's see if we can take that out.
You got all types of order flow in this area. You got fair value gap, version, bullish fair value gap, a theoretical breaker. Moving averages are bullish. If it comes back into the gap, I'm getting it.
Yeah, so they're gonna take our pre-market high, so we stop that.
Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Come on, come get me. Comes back and gets me, I'm getting in. Guys, locked and loaded, ready to go. Well, we need a retouch of the inversion and we're good to go. FMOC trade one. First trade of the session, maybe I meant to say Brightman. All right, we're in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm long. We got Alpha C right here. I'm just get out Alpha C. Just a 1-1 though.
It's the opening range high right now. So
yeah, if we lose, my stop's at 14. Close right at it. I might get tagged here.
Right here, if we're gonna bounce, this would be a good place for them to do a 50% retracement.
Tag, lost and check. So I took 1L here. Let's see what we do. It's not invalidated until you close below this level.
Retracement right there, X.
There you go.
That's 50% retracement just now. And VWAP, they're bouncing now. So let's see if that's going to be what they're looking for. I took a long right there.
Let's see, I'm going to sit it out for a second. Let's see if we can get 14. This low.
I got in at 14. Stops at 98. Target gonna be 2100, 21,0100, 22,100. I did take a long, small size, but I'm long.
If I am going to re-enter, it's going to be this new inversion gap that just formed. Taking this low now.
Yeah, they came back, saw you stop. Actually said, "Go and get him."
it
Stop
happens
right at your
sometimes.
stop. Took you out.
Let's see what they do now. They get above the inversion, or get back in. Just got to wait. Let's see what happens here in the upcoming macro.
2 minutes. That's what you're probably waiting on.
Let's see. Trading is waiting, waiting is trading. I'm still bull biased. Got data high above. I feel like most of my trades this week have been bullish.
Same here. I've been bullish all week.
Hey man, I can flip it a dime now. All these headlines coming out left and right.
You ain't kidding, man. You trading by the news report.
All right, wait and see what happens here. We did take these accumulation of lows here.
Ain't no strength going in nothing. Everything low volume.
Here comes a macro in like 20 seconds. So I went for 2 on the day. I thought this was the mac. Oh, the next one is. I would like to see this candle come back up. Floppy, choppy. All right, here comes the macro. We'll see what we do here.
You see, be a good place for them to go long right here. For to pick it up right here. Testing the range opening again today. Nope, they ain't decided to go the other direction.
Let's see what happens if we can
Right
get
now.
the sweep of 967.
Right in the golden pocket right now.
Waiting to see if we can get 967. Wicking off this low here.
It did sweep the lows. Yep, it did sweep the lows just now. They can push it right here.
But overall, we're still inside of this range, so it's choppy.
That's the golden pocket too. 61.8% retracement. You're right in the golden pocket with that move.
Golden pocket, golden sweep.
Yep. That's a fib number at 61.8 and 65%. It stopped right at 65%. But 76.4 been a strong one. the field retracement.
Still waiting, see if we pull back lower. So far, all cash. Man, even if FMOC events are slower, usually we had a lot more movement by now. Still trying to get there. Do nothing until we get there.
I wish I took the short. look. That was my trade idea from earlier. Was the short.
What's up, guys?
What up, Alex?
I'll
Right,
look for the long.
We tapped the 200 moving average to the downside.
Oh yeah, take the low, baby. Yeah, I'm not in it, man.
Struck
I'm
the
just,
lows just now, so what they gonna do with that?
they're taking it down.
That the bounce place. They bounced on yesterday's close. They did sweep the lows. They got one more. I'm looking at that 41 area.
So we got the lows in the building, guys. Lows are in the building. Inside of the macro. Let's see if we can get set up here.
Waiting. I see the stories
Bouncing
up
right
here.
here. They got the objective to the downside.
Wait and see what we do here.
I think we're going lower from the lows down at 927. They're going for it. Look like it.
Also, gold is going down. It's weird, you know, because taking back the dollar. Dollar is going higher.
Nope, they felt it. No inversion, no entry, no nothing.
Yeah, just straight down.
So they get 27 is the target. That was my first trade.
4 hour chart. 4 hour chart is very short. I mean, we come good back to take the low from 21.864. So the 4 hour looks bearish. Daily
27 is open range
switch
low.
back down.
Yeah. All right.
Heated up.
Yesterday's low.
Yep.
Yesterday's low.
Previous day low, yeah.
How far can we go?
But you
So,
wish to come back up.
so again, we hit the bearish target, the bearish area. We're gonna flip biases. This is our new area.
Disrupt that low. Would that be where they going at? Are they gonna go up from here? Because if they can go back, just stays close, just stays low. They can go from here. That is previous week close also, guys. Into the demand zone, big demand zone on the hourly.
I have my previous week low at I will tell you, I got my previous week low at 21,692.25.
Powell must be saying something bearish.
Yeah, also gold is going down, man. It's not looking good. Look at the dollar, it's going higher. The dollar goes higher, guys. Everything drops.
Then we continue to lower. Yeah.
The dollar back up to
Target 8.45.
Anybody short with him?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm short.
If you short him at 888.
I think that could be a swing for the high, Ace.
Sweet.
I mean, Ace. X.
Yeah.
And we got one more level. Pre-market low is what I thought they was going to be targeting. That's what I'm looking at.
Nope.
It's not a big demand zone now.
Yes, continuously lower. I'm not in the unit.
Yeah, I took the short. It hit my target. That stays low. Pre-market low is the next one down. Here we go.
We'll see. I'm not framing nothing, and maybe we'll go to our chart to see if we can find a 1 hour LAF. This is a big expansion name.
Yes, with the previous week gap too. And I say previous week low, I'm talking about ES, guys. I read both charts. I didn't say what I was looking at. Previous week low, ES. Previous week close, I'm going to say. We're in the demand zone too, so we don't have to do nothing here. We can bounce right out of here. I think we're going to go lower, but
We'll see.
NQ got 859 is the target for NQ. Downside. We bounced out of here. It's a swing pivot. We're into pre-market low would be the target for that one. Let's go, baby. Good place to bounce it too.
Let's see how it closes.
Retesting at yesterday's low. Can't be trapping the folks now. And everybody look for that drop off. We swept that up previous swing high. That might be it, X. That might be. They didn't go get them lows, but that might be it. Did you take anything else, X? Or are you still sitting waiting?
No, I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting like a hawk. Gotta be like patient, like a tiger with this. Maybe we get this gap. This is the 5 minute. Just another one of these unique cases here. Getting some volume here.
Looked like that was the bottom of it.
Got above the MA, see if it comes back. Gets back into the MA, we'll get it. I mean, if it gets back into the gap below the EMA, you gotta say everything like proper here. We'll go long.
Go back and retest that 2 in the moving average retest.
See some framework here. Got a 1 hour expansion lower though, so don't even have an alpha. What would an alpha be? Back into this gap, but I'm reluctant to take it. We'll take it here. Did I not get the okay, I got it. Usually I wouldn't take it something like this, but we got data high above. So my opinion, price wants to come back for it. Data high and alpha C. This is a BPR too. Loses BPR went out. I like BPRs a bit better. This is something that you guys you don't see them as often. They're interchangeable with inversion gaps, right? Because it's the bearish gap. The BPR only difference is it overlays with 2. And because you have 2 of those, you don't need a structure shift to say. But I do like the BPR. Kind of stabilizing here. I want to see it get above this 20 and take off. We give a low and I want to exit out of it immediately.
Oh, so you long X?
Yeah, I did touch it.
Okay.
Got 5 in the candle. They closed it above.
They didn't want to go lower.
In the kitchen a little bit with it though.
Getting hot in there.
Slightly. Fans on though. Yeah, definitely picked up there. We puked it.
Hard to take a trade there for me. I can't get. I looked at it. The short was good. They just delivered to the downside.
Nah, they got
Stop.
me. I'm out of it.
Yeah.
These are my 2 for this session. I'm not messing with it no more. See if we continue. Technically, the stop should have went all the way down here, but I'm not taking that much. I'll go for the bottom of the FFG candle. All right, so here's all my executions on the day. This was the winner from the day here. I had this stop out and I had this stop out. But notice how, like, on my winner, look at how much cleaner this is here on the winner, on the winner. And look at how immediate and close these executions are on top of each other. So these are normal days, part of the game. I went for the BPR, bright man. This one here and this one here. Anybody else got any questions? What's up? Did you have a question, Alex? Alex. I turned them off. Don't put Alex back in the audience. But you took it because I took it. Did you take it because you wanted to take it? You took it just because I was in it. The BPR play, I liked it too as well. Now, if you look at it, analysis again isn't bad. It's still gonna, in my opinion, still gonna go higher. Just being a little tricky here on delivery. Are you staying in it? Oh, look who has the diamond hands now. Got to get that 979. Well, basically 980. I'm assuming you're talking about these highs here. Still in the kitchen, Bright Man says. You know what I don't like about it is these MAs in the way. We'll see if we crack through it right now. I would literally have no way of getting back in, guys. Mays win again.
Yeah, they're trapping folks. I tried to snatch that long just now. Got hit. Now they're coming back to go get it again.
Now they got the knife green candle. 5 minute, no entry off anything. Probably try to get in there. Brightman, did you hold? Because now you got volatility stepped in. I guess this is power right here. There's a baby gap right there, but that baby gap, we ain't doing nothing with that. You got volume just kicked in. Volume just kicked in heavy. 720 delta. This must be you guys speaking something. Just kept back in. That's gonna go to target. So this is the move I was looking for.
Yeah, this one should go to 100. These
Data high. So we'll just tape read it. But the goal always was from start of session was to get back to data high. 22,081. So let's see what we can do. I don't have any entries here. I mean, you could argue this, but I do feel like this is too high. If this was a BPR, I would like it, but it's not a BPR. It's just an inversion. Now price is above the MA. Higher lows. If it gives me a 22 model entry, I'll take it. Very rarely do I take 22s. Here's your 22 model. 28 average is in place. Delta came in. Price now back above the MAs. Data high draw.
they trapping. They ain't going nowhere.
Oh, we outside of macro. Can't take it.
All right, we're up to 200 moving average. So yes, stopped again.
Trade idea is watching right here. We're just gonna watch it here. Outside of my macro, back on the 20 MA. Let's see what they want to do here. This is a trade idea. I know I got an RR tool. It was outside of macro, so it wasn't as clean. This one should go.
They like they want to run it.
$317 current time. It's in Bible range. You can long, I can long it here.
Got much stop at 909. So I see, look,
This is my last one.
they gonna run it.
But I'm gonna put my stop right here. My stop's gonna be real tight.
I am long, X.
I'm with you. Yeah, I'm long too. My stop's super tight. I don't got much risk on this. Should bounce off this 20. Trying to get that other beat I had. Sorry. Some of these songs, when I first play them, they come in super loud. All right, still lit. Let's go. If it's going to take off, here's the point. Hold on one sec.
Waiting on time. 12:19, 20-minute macro.
All right, Kel, I'm here.
Yep, I'm here, brother. I'm just sitting here watching it. It ain't going nowhere, though. It ain't going nowhere. Let's see. Hawkins 100 for me.
In bullish position, price needs to get above short-term target. It's going to be 22.04. Gets above that, that makes this a higher low. Puts us in a good position. Ultimately, I'm looking for price to go top of the range that high. You got a pit stop at 20.40. 20.040.
Yeah, that was that was one of my numbers coming down. 40. It was 940, but 24. This will be my last trade of the day here.
I'm about 20 points on this play. You took out the, not to say target, but you took out the first area of resistance. So if you guys want to scale here, you can scale here. Still red. No, still red.
So right now it's a 200 moving average retest right here.
Yeah, well, I want to see it crack through it. You can when you have moving averages on your chart, use the EMAs or the SMA. I personally use the EMAs.
Yeah, I use EMAs. I only use EMAs. Testing VWAP. Just the test here. Point of control sitting right there. Yeah, we cleared this here. The market makers are allowing us to go higher. We need to get above 16. Get above that. That's or highest at that 26.
Guys, I'm risk adjusted at break even. Risk adjusted at break even. Stop.
Can't lose nobody. I had a big stop on Tuesday. I had one stop. It's 60-point stop.
Alex, you had a lot of background noise, bro. Let's watch these Delta candles. Last Delta candle, I didn't like it.
So I move my stop to break even. I'm up 53 handles, so I'm good.
Getting a lot of buy orders here in this area. I want to see them. I want to see them clear. The orders there. This is just the footprint chart.
Take my profit.
Well, let's peep this. You got these two moving averages here. I mean, this green box that just drew. That's the bullish fair value gap. As long as it holds above that, I'm okay. And I got my stop right at break even on it. Just waiting, man. This is going to stabilize above that 200. That's that 200 EMA.
Tomorrow's a holiday too, Bex. You know that, right?
Yeah, I just found that out earlier today. I was like, wait, what?
Half day trading. Okay, trying to clear it. We cleared this area. We should be good. 16, the last one.
What's up, guys? I'm still in this play with you guys.
We could turn here. Now watch this here. This VWAP right here. Market makers buy and sell at VWAP. I think we're going higher. But the way they been playing their games. There's a 27-point retracement.
My stop's at BE here. So they took my break-even stop. No loss, no win right there. So I'm flat now. They could bounce it off this 20 SMA here. See what they would like to do.
I'm still there. Stop at break even. I had that break even also. I got a couple of points before you though. Time 26 minutes after. It's weak price action. That's all that is. Should have took my 50 points and called it a day. Still up 20 right now. I got that 58, 75.
All right, guys.
Reject 200.
All right, guys. That's going to be it for me. I'm going to have to step away here. Anybody got any questions?
I'm going to step with you, brother.
Yeah.
Leave. Call it a day.
All right, so I'm
done too. Have a great day, team.
I'm going to upload today's live stream, and there's a live stream